The Moto X70 Air is currently listed on the Lenovo website in China, but without the pricing. It will be available in 256GB and 512GB storage options and in 3 Pantone-validated colorways: Gadget Gray, Lily Pad, and Bronze Green. It measures a hair under 6 mm thick and weighs 159 grams. It carries an IP68 plus IP69 dust and water resistance rating. The Moto X70 Air sports a 6.7-inch 1.5K POLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 4,500 nits peak brightness. Powering the Moto X70 Air is a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of onboard UFS 3.1 storage. It runs on Android 16. In the camera department, the Moto X70 Air have a 50-megapixel main camera with a Samsung sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 50-megapixel front camera. The handset packs a 4,800 mAh battery with support for 68W wired and 15W wireless charging. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.